when you're just starting out, your case volume is obviously pretty lean. You're working off of referrals. There are answering services, right? That term applies to a bunch of answering legal competitors, non-specialized, outsourced, anything, right? Whatever your threshold of tolerance is for quality, I obviously think that like a highly trained answering service will do a good job, but we're all on budgets. I understand. I would find an answering service and work to find one that can customize your script enough to do what you need it to do based on your needs. So understanding that, say, what you're focused on a lot is I actually know a person who did this. She had started a law firm in California and went out on her own. And her big thing was she wanted to acquire cases from people that did not want to take anything to court. They wanted to settle and get a good offer for their like insurance claims. And she was like, I'm the settlement lawyer. Like, if you don't want a whole drawn out process and you want this to end quickly, I am the person for you. I will help you accomplish that goal. Very specialized. She has an answering service because she's so busy. Why is she busy? Because she's helping people and negotiating these things so that she could just get them out. And her intake looked like that. It reflected like, why are you calling? You don't want to this drawn out process. If you are unhappy with your settlement, you know, we'll refer you to somebody who can negotiate that, but that's not what we do here, and take your name, right? And you know what you're trying to obtain, and so you can kind of work alongside of the people who are going to be answering your phone, who are effectively your intake team, if it's just you and an answering service, and make sure you are both being transparent and honest while setting the correct expectations. You don't have to instruct the people to be like, oh, they're going to call you back at this time and this is the process. And no, just a few next steps. Somebody's going to be calling you right back based on what you've just told me.